Great news! You don't need a green thumb this spring or summer. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, and I've got you covered this year with your check decor. And I'm introducing several new items into my shop with the checkerboard pattern. And it's all around spring and summer, particularly faux plants. So many times you can find the courtly decor in the hand-painted checks, in the flower pots, and the flower planters. But then you have to go fill them with plants. And if you don't have a green thumb, that could be a problem, right? Well, I've got you covered. I got your back. And we have these faux, realistic looking plants that are available this season. And I'm starting to populate them now into the shop. And this will just give you some decorating ideas that you can place a few greenery items around your home, and you don't even need a green thumb. Now in this video, this particular piece is just a small 3-inch pot with lifelike eucalyptus greenery. Now these are really cute to add as accent pieces, like around your coffee station maybe, or on either side of your mantle, or in with your other decor. Now I hope this little piece inspires you. You can do your own DIY hand-painted check decor for your home this season for the spring and summer. Or if you don't want to, you can swing by the Crafty Hobbit shop and see what's available for the upcoming season. If you want to see more items or more inspirational pieces, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you at the next one.